Happy Monday, my friends. We are starting off another week of searching for the best work from home remote jobs that works for you. We will keep this one very short, sweet, and to the point. This one is for my US-based subscribers only. But if you are one of my international subscribers, I just posted a video today that includes a company that is hiring completely global, so make sure that you check that one out. As always, you can leave any suggestions of what you are looking for in the comments below. I keep that in mind when I am searching for remote jobs to share because I want to actually share things that are helpful to you. So this position is for my people that are looking for evening hours or overnight hours. The Trevor Project is hiring a remote text and chat counselor, so this is no phones involved. They are a nonprofit organization that provides life-saving support. It says via phone, text, and chat, so you'll be working the text and chat portion. And so they mostly handle the LGBTQ community, but they are trying to be counselors for people in crisis to help comfort people who are feeling suicidal or have mental health issues or depression. So as part of this position, they are looking for someone for evening overnight hours. Shifts are 7:30 p.m. to 3 o'clock a.m. Pacific Standard Time, which is 10:30 p.m. to 6 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So standard third shift overnight position. They're looking for someone who's very passionate and cares about saving lives and wants to help people and inspire people every day. Someone who is resilient and empathetic and organized and also flexible. Now for this position, you do need to be a strong communicator because you'll be communicating in writing through chat, trying to help people who are in a mental health crisis. So it does say that's the main thing you'll be doing is providing crisis intervention counseling to LGBTQ young people nationwide via chat and text. You need to be able to build trust and provide a safer space for the youth. Now this position will require you to work on Friday, Saturday, Sundays, and certain holidays as well. Some of the benefits they offer are a holiday and vacation days. You get health insurance. They pay 100% of your health insurance premiums. The flexibility to work anywhere from the United States. And it says they provide the technology. So they provide all computer equipment. They provide a monthly internet stipend to reimburse you for any internet costs. And it says they reimburse you to outfit your work from home space. So apparently they give you a little bit of money on top of the internet stipend to get office supplies. If you've made it to the end of this video, I just want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. If you like these types of positions, please give this video a thumbs up so that gives me feedback and I know to share more positions like this. Hope you have a great rest of your day. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.